Come now, fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing.
Mr. Gambi?
Mrs. Johnson, how was your daughter's wedding?
Oh, she was beautiful. And so was I, thanks to you. Is there anything I can do for you?
It's a beautiful song.
That it is. Although it's never been one that's made me cry.
Do you believe it's true?
That the good Lord delivers us from our troubles?
Yes.
I do. He expects us to do our part. But I believe he's there to help us over the finish line. Though sometimes what we want and what we need are not the same thing.
I see the wisdom in that.
You will be in my prayers, Mr. Gambi. You will be in my prayers.
Thank you, Mrs. Johnson.
Interposed his precious blood.
So, once you realized you had powers, how long until you decided to become Black Lightning?
Oh, I did a few things here and there, but it took me a while before I committed and got the suit.
Why'd you stop all those years?
That's complicated.
Mom, right?
That's between me and her.
Which is a yes, but an ask your mother yes. So who trained you?
Gambi, fighting and tactics. Even before I knew I had powers.
And why is he so mad at you right now?
No, he's not mad. He's worried. That's how he gets when I don't do what he wants me to. Sarcastic Italian, that's how he shows his love.
All right, wait, hold on. It should be right around here. Up there?
I guess we can be grateful for the second rule of high-profile assassinations. Always kill the killer.
Okay. What now?
Call Henderson. This is evidence. Black Lightning doesn't get exonerated unless Freeland PD conducts an investigation and clears him.
Well, you call him on that? I mean, was carrying a tin can attached to a string too bulky?
This is current technology.
Okay.
Let me see that. Yo, Henderson, you got a pencil and paper? Hampton Woods, coordinates, 33, 47, 84, 43. You'll find a shallow grave, a body, and the weapon that actually killed Lady Eve. And yo, tell the morgue to hold the body so you can match the wound. You're welcome. I know you didn't say thank you. It's implied in your loud-ass questions.
Does he know you're Black Lightning?
No, that would put him in an impossible position.
Yeah, because of that lame cell phone.